Hi everyone, welcome back to Sew with Cecile, a place for fashion design tips and tutorials. Have you ever struggled with drafting the perfect short sleeve? Well, today I'm here to show you an easy and professional way to do it. All you need are some basic tools: pattern paper, scissors, tape measure, marker pen, and rulers, French curves. Yes. By the end of this video, you'll have the confidence to create short sleeves that fit beautifully into any garment. So if you are ready, hit that like button, subscribe, and let's get started. We'll start by creating a guideline. That's our guideline. And we have our measurement here. We have sleeve length, that is 7 inches. We have sleeve round or bicep. This is the widest part of the arm, that is 13 inches. And bust, 35. Let's go ahead and mark my sleeve length, that is 7 inches. Then I'll mark my cup height. This is how I calculate cup height. Bust circumference, divide by 12 plus 1. My bust circumference is 35 inches. Divide by 12 plus 1, that is 3.9. I'll round off to 4. In order to mark this, you can use armhole measurement, but I'll be using bust measurement. That is bust divide by 4, that is 8 and 7.5, minus 1 inch, that is 7.75 or 7 and a quarter. I'll mark 7 and 3/4 here. Then I'll create a line from this point to this one. Then I'll find midpoint. Hope you can see well. That is 8.5. Midpoint. This is my midpoint. Then I'll go ahead and divide this line again. Yeah, you divide this line by 4. Then from this first point, I'll mark half. I'll go up by half an inch. Then from this point, I'll go down by half an inch, like that. Then I'll join this with the curve. Then I'll turn my French curve to the other side. Like that. Then here I'll mark my sleeve round. That is 13 inches. 13 divided by 2. That is 6.5. I'll mark 6.5 from this point. This one. Then I'll join. I'll go ahead and add seam allowance. I'll add 1 inch for hemming. Then on the side seam, I'll also add 1 inch seam allowance. Then I'll connect with straight line. Like that. My round armhole is 17 inches. I'll come and confirm what I got here. 17 inches divided by 2, that is 8.5. You can see we have, here is my 8.5, and we have seam allowance. Then I'll go ahead and cut. Now let me mark. I'll cut the upper curve. I'll cut on the upper curve. Please. Then I'll open up my sleeve. Start my sleeve. This is back, and this is front. Sorry. Then I'll go ahead and cut the front part of the sleeve like that, and that's our sleeve. You can see the front part is a bit deeper than the back part. The front bodice, the front sleeve is a bit deeper than the back. If this tutorial was helpful to you, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any of my upcoming tutorials. Thank you.